I want to say a big thank you to the team for very kindly reaching out to us and offering us this really great label maker. This label maker connects effortlessly via Bluetooth to your phone. There is a free app in the App Store you can use to link up to this device to manage all of your printing needs. It is small and compact. It is perfect for the home, at work, for projects. It's so unbelievably versatile. This is an inkless thermal printer, so there's no mess and no need to change ink cartridges. It prints out in black, not only words but also images. The labels are mess-free and water resistant. The app also comes with tons of templates to start you off. Really great if you're into crafting or maybe reorganizing your home. This is going to be great for your kids, for work. It's super handy and it's either for yourself or as a great gift. Thank you again to the team for very kindly sending it out to us. It's going to be super helpful. I'm going to be reorganising my home. Cannot wait to get started on my kitchen. Thank you so much again. I really do appreciate it.